Hi guys! So in this video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano lagyan ng USDT ang inyong Binance account para makapag-start kayo ng trading. So kung meron kayong GCash, Paymaya, Coins.ph, online bank account, pwede kayong bumili ng USDT dito sa P2P trading. So sa P2P trading, bakit USDT ang magandang bilhin? Kasi, yung USDT, diba, fixed price siya. So, yung coin na gusto mong bilhin, pwede mo siyang mabili in a lower price, not in the current price. So, USDT yung gagamitin natin. So, if you are new in P2P trading, usually, the currency is different. So, kailangan natin palitan tong currency into PHP. So, search nyo lang PHP. Ayan. So, mapupunta na tayo sa P2P ng PHP pesos. So, dito, merong mga publishers. Ayan. Ang publishers, itong may mga check, they are the verified merchant. So, na-complete nila yung requirements kung paano maging verified merchants, kaya sila may check. And then, ito naman yung mga advertisement ads nila. Ito yung payment method, bank transfer, and GCash. Yan. Meron ding, I'm sorry, that's Paymaya. Oops. Meron ding GCash. So, inside that, meron din iba na nag-a-accept ng Coins.ph. So, eto. Bank transfer, GCash, Paymaya. So, yan yung mga payment method. Ito naman, makikita nyo dito yung number of trades nila and completion rate. So, 99.69% of 1,280 ay complete trades in CryptoBank PH. Ito yung available USDT niya for sale, price niya. Ito yung minimum and maximum na pwede mo bilhin. So, iba't iba yung minimum nila. So, hahanap ka, let's say, for example, 2,000 lang yung laman ng GCash mo na gusto mong ibili ng USDT. Hanapin mo yung may minimum na 2,000. And also, kailangan mo syempre makita na may GCash siya dito para makabili ka. So, I think we can try to buy right now. Hanap tayo ng may GCash. Na verify. This one. Ito. So, meron siyang GCash. Verified merchant siya. Mataas ang completion rate. And then, ang minimum niya is 70 pesos to 1,000. So, try natin bumili. So, we can click buy. And then, enter the amount. So, let's say, buy number 150. Ayan. 3.11 USD. So, may GCash siya. So, merong mga terms dyan, dapat binabasa nyo yan. Online, okay, ayan o, maganda siya. Online, legit and safe, active payment method, GCash, Paymaya, and Union Bank. Okay. So, let's go. Buy USDT. Ayan. So, pwede natin siyang i-chat muna dito. Ayan, chat box. Open nyo lang yan. And then, magbasa ulit. Okay, safe and legit. Okay. Yan. Yes, tama. Sa Paymaya, yung iba nag-order 30,000. And then, nagbabayad sila in one time, no? 20K lang talaga yung limit per transaction ni Paymaya. Pero multiple, pwede. So, let's say 30,000 yung order mo. First, send 20,000 and then second, send 10,000. So, once na makomplete yung order mo, pwede mo na siyang, yung payment mo, pwede mo na siyang i-mark as paid and then wait for the seller to confirm your payment and then release your USDT. So, Union Bank, preferably ang kanyang bank transfer is Union Bank. Okay, and ayan. Meron din siyang a guide on how to mark your order as paid. Yung iba kasi, hindi nila alam kung ano yung sunod na gagawin. Pag sinabing, you can now mark your order as paid, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano. Okay. Yan, nag-chat na siya. Hi, I'm online. Okay. Will pay now. Let's put a smiley face. Yan. Okay. So, let's go back. Click nyo lang tong payment method. Ayan. Ayan. Yan. Other problem, usually, hindi nag-a-appear si GCash sa ganitong situation. So, wala kayong mapipili. Sometimes, pwede na natin piliin yung Paymaya or others as long as kinonfirm na niya yung payment natin. Okay? So, ayaw talaga. Walang lumalabas. Another point is meron siyang time limit. Ito yun. So, within 15 minutes, kailangan mabayaran na natin siya para hindi i-cancel ni system yung order. This is how safe P2P trading is. Protected ang buyer at seller. Tayo yung may cancel option dito. Si seller, wala siyang cancel option. So, kapag nakapagbayad ako, hindi niya makakancel itong order na to. So, as long as na-mark as paid ko siya. Pag hindi ko siya na-mark as paid, ito yon. Kailangan ma-complete mo yung pagma-mark as paid para hindi ma-cancel ni system. So, let's pay now. So, dahil walang Paymaya, kukunin natin yung number niya in GCash. So, 09. Or we can pay via Paymaya. So, 54902. Ayan, Paymaya na lang. So, copy natin siya. And then, punta ko kay Paymaya. So, for a while. So, andito na ako sa Paymaya ko. I'm going to send money. So, dito tayo, copy again. Copy successful. And then, let's just paste here. Ayan, Paymaya, 150. Okay, continue. Let's remove our name. Ayan. Continue. And then send. So, again, let's take a screenshot. Okay. And then, let's go back to him. Ayan. After nating mabayad, hindi niya makakancel yun, ha. Let's say, nakabalik kayo dito, no? Kung narito na kayo sa payment method, pwede nyo nang i-click ito. Pero, kung nandito kayo sa front, ito yung kiklik nyo, transfer the fund. And then, select Paymaya. And then, dahil transferred na, kiklik nyo na tong transferred next. Ayan. Tapos, dito na tayo sa chat. And then, we can now send yung screenshot. Send. Ayan. And then, we can chat him, send. Okay. So, we're just going to wait na i-release niya na yung USDT. So, ito yung, or you mark the order as paid already. So, let's wait for now. Oop. Sometimes, matagal talagang mag-send yung screenshot. go back. Another option here is if hindi niya na-release yung USDT, let's say tumagal for overnight, or let's say gantong oras kasi minsan tulog na yung iba, naiwan na open yung ad nila, hindi sila nagre-reply. So you can file an appeal. Ito yon, appeal. Screenshot nyo muna to. Ayan. Now you have sent your payment and then it is already marked as paid. Magpa-file ka lang ng appeal. And then customer support will interfere. I-investigate nila yung issue. So, it took a while. Well, why? So, ayan, na-release na yung 3.11 USDT. Ayan. There is a notification na yung order has been completed already. So, pwede tayong mag-iwan dito ng ating feedback. Positive. Ayan. Done. And then, after that, yung 3.11 USDT ay mapupunta na sa ating P2P wallet. Oops. Ayan. So, dito na siya napunta sa P2P wallet. Hindi lang natin makikita kasi nadagdag siya sa balance ko. So, after that, pwede na natin siyang i-transfer into spot. Paano? Let's click this transfer. So, transfer and then transfer. Ayan. From P2P wallet to spot wallet. Okay? Ayan. And then, choose natin is USDT. So, yung amount, 3.11. Ayan. And then, you can click transfer na. Transfer. Okay. Mapupunta na siya ngayon sa spot. At, pwede mo na siyang gamitin na pang trade sa ibang coin. Okay? So, that's all. I hope you understand it well. Huwag kayong kabahan kung paano ang gagawin. I-chat nyo lang yung merchant para mag-guide kayo. Kung hindi siya makapag-chat, you can leave na lang yung order nyo. Automatic makakancel na ng system nyo. Huwag nyo siyang i-mark as paid kapag hindi nyo pa siya nababayaran. And also, don't forget to mark your order as paid once na nabayaran nyo na. Kasi, talagang ika-cancel siya ng system automatically within the time limit na nilagay ng publisher. Some are 15 minutes, some are 30 minutes. So, that's all. Thank you so much. Goodbye and share this video sa mga newbies para matuto sila. And thank you. Bye-bye.